Just making ourselves a new text file window. Let's just do Control N right here. Cool. And we'll start this off the same as the other ones. User bin Python 3. All right, and we're going to do that same loop basically. So for value in this is a long string. 1, 2, 3, 4. If value is equal to, can't type right this minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pass. Otherwise, print value. Okay. Let's take a quick look at that. It looks like everything there matches. Should be syntactually correct. So let's save this. Again, let's just do it on the desktop. We'll delete these in a second. Let's name this pass.py. Pass.py. And save it. All right. Now we can execute this. Let's do Python pass.py. Whoop. I actually had a little bit of an issue in there. If value, I don't know why I have is in there, sorry, is equal to that. Let's save that over. All right, there we go. So what did we have happen here? We printed off the entire thing letter by letter. This is a long string. Printed off everything that was in there. So if we look at it here, we can say that if the value is equal to O, just pass and go on to the next line that's within here. Really what this is equal to is getting rid of all of this, saving it, running it again, and it prints off the exact same thing. When you have that pass statement there, it just skips over. So there are times where it's very helpful to have a pass statement in there. And when you start writing out maybe classes or functions, you'll start to see that used a bit more. And often within a loop, you may need to do a pass statement as well. It happens sometimes because you just need it for the syntax to be there, but you know that it doesn't actually do anything. So let's go on to the next section and just do a quick test over the different flow control statements that you have in Python when you're dealing with loops.